What's going on, guys? We're here at the Fox headquarters and we've just outfitted all of these machines here with our Hurricane dual sport tank bag. It's going to provide waterproof storage and it's attached at 4 points here, so it's nice and secure here on the Triumph. Tiger 900, superior fit. Over here on the 1200, we had to get a little creative. We came down underneath the seat here, brought the straps up, and then came around the neck of the motorcycle. Again, for a nice solid fit. Now we've mounted these all the way forward on the tank so that the riders who are on these motorcycles can stand on the bikes and the tank bag is not going to get in their way when they're here on the bike, moving around, avoiding obstacles, hitting jumps. You take that thing on these sweet jumps? Anyway, you can see it mounted here on the Africa Twin. Same thing, we've gone a little bit further forward on the tank, allowing the bars to still move all the way lock to lock so we have no interference. And the tank bag is far enough up and you can stand up here and have all kinds of movement within the cockpit of the motorcycle. Anyway, in the upcoming weeks, you're going to see these bikes in news publications. We got Mr. Adam from Irv Cedar BMW. Mr. Adam Wahid over there. What's up, Adam?
Got the Hurricane bag right here.
Rob from ADV Pulse right there on his Escape. Got Ricky Carmichael getting all set up here on his Triumph Tiger. These guys are dialed and ready to ride. There it is, Hurricane tank and the new Hurricane tag.